Hey, what's going on today, guys? If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to Iron Antler Adventures. Today, my dad and I is going to do a little bit of magnet fishing. He got a new magnet for Christmas, so he's anxious to try it out. I want to give a shout out to Alaskans on the Fly, Happy Place Camping, and Magnet Junkie. You guys rock. If you guys haven't checked them out, go check them out. We're going to get the camera strapped on and get to magnet fishing. All right, guys, there's Dad's first find with his new magnet.
A little piece of rusty tin. Looks like it might be a leg off a stove.
All right, guys, here we go. First toss. See what we can come up with. And you have to pull it at an angle. Come over this way. Yeah, I'll get it. Yeah, we got something on there. I don't know what we got. May just be rusty metal, but we have something. Yeah, Dad caught a tree. Well, we pulled it off something. I don't know what that is. Just a little thin piece of metal.
Looks like the same stuff as on mine, don't it?
Yeah. Not sure what that is, guys. Maybe we can get a better grip on it and figure it out. Well, Dad's got another piece of metal of some kind. He's got a nail, and
Looks like it might have been a piece of an old knife.
it may have been. All right, guys, feels like we're on something. I think it just came off. We got something on there. Let's check it out and see what we got. Felt like I had something a lot bigger on there a minute ago. Well, I guess it's an old battery of some kind or something. And the shell casing. It's pretty neat. All right, guys, looks like we got something on there. Get it up here and check it out. It's like another old piece of rebar. It's been down there a long time. It's almost rusted completely in two.
I got an old beer tab.
Got a beer tab.
Bush Light.
Been down there a little while.
Yep. I guess that's a sinker or something. A little bitty one.
All right, guys, I think we got something else. What in the world? Looks like another sign like we found the other day. Sure what it looks like. That or a street sign or something. I think it's another realtor sign. Keith Irvin. Check that out, guys. Two different realtor signs in the same location. That's a pretty cool find. Alright guys, here we are. New bridge. First throw, I found a nail. Hopefully we find more stuff than that, but this is a brand new bridge, never been here. So we're gonna keep trying. Dad's hooked on something, we'll see if he can get it out of there. See what he's got. Piece of rebar, it's doing a lot of wiggling for rebar.
They won't grab copper, will it?
No. Wait and try to let it turn, if it will. Get up there where I can grab it. That almost looks like a brake line.
I believe that's what it is. It's hollow, ain't it?
Yeah, I think it's an old brake line off of a car. That was a good find. Well guys, looks like we probably have another nail on there. Well, 2 throws, 2 nails, but I was hoping to find something better than that, but that's not a nail. I guess it's an old piece of barbed wire. That's old wire, it's flat. Ain't no telling how old that is. That's pretty cool. Yeah guys, this is a new spot. We've already found 3 things. Hopefully we can keep finding some stuff, some bigger stuff. That brake line was pretty cool, Dad found. I've never found one of those before. But you just never know. That's what keeps you going and keeps you excited. You never know what you're going to catch on that next throw. You go to a lot of bridges where you don't find nothing. And then every once in a while you hit one where you find some stuff. Just like fishing or anything else you do. Just keep going and have fun at it. I enjoy it, gets me out of the house. It's 30 degrees out here today. I think the last time I went it was 60 with ice on everything. See if we got anything on there this time. I'm not seeing nothing yet. Nope. I don't see anything, guys. You're another toss. Alright, Dad's found something else. See what he's got.
Like 2 little bolts.
That's pretty neat. I wonder what those come off of.
I don't know, but they're both together.
That's kind of odd.
I got something on there now.
Well, Dad's got something else. Let's see what he's got. Like I say, it's 30 degrees out here, so it's a little cool.
My old hands are getting cold.
Ain't sure what it is.
Maybe it's an old piece of the shell.
Yeah, that's what it is. No shotgun shell. That's a pretty neat find. Alright guys, we clicked something really hard. My battery died, I had to go change it. So let's see what we got. Oh, got a piece of pipe. Old piece of pipe. It's got something on it. I'm not sure what those are. I think maybe it was an old pipe to a gate or something is what it's looking like. I can get it up here. Check that out, guys. It's been down there a long time. Yeah, it looks like it's got pieces on it there for a gate. That's pretty cool. I knew I hit something pretty solid whenever it clicked. I wasn't sure what it was. Alright guys, looks like we got something else on there. Let's get up here and have a look at it, see what we got. Looks like an old fish stringer. Somebody's name on it, but I can't make it out. We'll use that. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Dad wanted to get out and try out his new magnet, so we hit a couple spots. Found some decent items. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check us out on Facebook, guys. Till next time, beard out.